Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing into the exact Google account linked to your bank. Once done, go to the Profile or Cards and Accounts section. This is where linked bank accounts appear. Make sure your app is updated and permissions for storage and network are enabled so downloads work. If you have multiple accounts, switch to the correct one now. This prevents retrieving the wrong statement and saves time when you proceed to transaction history and export options. You now select the linked bank account and tap into Transactions or Activity. That reveals all entries Google Pay has recorded. Next, apply a date range filter or use search keywords to isolate the period you need, monthly, quarterly, or custom dates. If there's an export or download icon, choose CSV or PDF depending on your need. Make sure the displayed transactions match your bank records. Discrepancies mean you should refresh the account or wait for sync to complete before exporting. You finish by tapping Export or Download and choosing PDF or CSV, then confirm the date range and start the export. Once the file is generated, save it to device storage or upload to your cloud drive and rename it with the date range so you can find it later. If export fails or transactions are missing, refresh the account, force close and reopen the app, or resync your bank link. If problems persist, contact your bank or Google Pay support with a screenshot and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.